Okay, hello. Yeah. I just wanted to tell you this that okay. So how to make the project of that app development? Okay, app development that project. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now I'll share my screen with you. Okay. I'll share my screen with you. Wait. Give me 1 second because of some network issues. No, I can't share my screen with you. I think that is okay. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Just give me 2 seconds. Can't share my screen with you. I'm trying to share my screen, okay? Just give me 1 second. Eh, okay. Mm, You just give me 1 second. Yes, 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 yes. So today there is very serious network issues in my PC. So yes, yeah, done. Okay, I'll share my screen with you. Okay, give me just 2 seconds. Yeah. Yes. So I've shared my screen with you. Now I have. Okay, give me yes. Yes, okay, okay, yes. So here, no, you have to do that. I've made the code fully. Just see when wait, give me 1 second. I'm giving the wrong code. Okay, yes. So when I'm clicking on the run button, it is doing everything. So, but for you, I'll make the code fully. Okay, wait, give me 1 second. Yes, okay. Okay, so I'll move the change the text color. Yes, I'll remove one code. Okay. Okay, yes. I have removed that code. Okay. Now what to do? What you have to do? First, I'll read out the code. Okay. Firstly, I'll do the code fully. The stop for stop and just I'll do the button code fully in front of you. Just for um, start button, I'll read out the code. Okay, only because it's too long code. It will take too long time for me. Okay. So just I'll read out the code. So firstly, I have to set three variables. Like I have set it. Okay, one is for odd number and set it to one. Okay, one variable is for even number and set it for zero, and one is for score and set it for zero. So before you have to code, I have told you to use this three blocks like code, design, and data. So use this two boxes, code and design. So in the design block, you have to take four labels and three buttons. Four labels and three buttons. Okay. In screen one, you have to take four labels and three buttons. Okay. No need to import any screen or make new screen. Okay. So take four labels. Like I have taken one. This is for score. Okay, you can change the ID to that ID which you can remember. So like score for one for score and text should be score one. Okay, in the north north side. Okay, and one should be blank and ID you can give it as own. It will you have to display the score in this block. You have to display the score in this label. Okay, and one take one label. Okay, give it one give take one label and give the text as one, and take one more label and give the text as 0. In the 0 block, write the ID even, and in the 1 block, write the ID odd. Okay, and in this blank, write DS score, and in this score where score was written, right, SC12. Okay, SC12, so that you can remember this. Okay, and now go to the code button and you can code like this, like variable odd 1. So see, this why I have given here odd, because this odd, no, this represents this ID, this odd ID, this ID, this represents this ID. Okay, this number's ID, and this even represents this number's ID. Okay, now you got my point. And this score, it represents this score ID. Okay, okay, score tech, score. Okay, this score, it represents the text. Okay, you have to write odd, 1, even, 0, and score 0 with the help of variables. So for that you have to go to the variables block. You can see there are many blocks. After you um, remix and log in with your account, there will be many boxes in the toolbox. This is the toolbox, and then there are many boxes like UI control, data control, variables, functions, math, turtle, and canvas. So go to the variables option, okay, and take the declare a variable, var, declare a variable. Okay, declare a variable, declare assign into x. Okay, take this type of variable and put it free, take this type of three variables and put it down in the first. Okay, put it in the first only, not in on event, in the first only. And in one, write odd, and after that write 1, and in after that write even and 0, after that write score and 0, like I have written. Okay, and then take without on event, and nothing could be done. So take one on event block and place it after this variable score, after this variable score. Okay, and button 1, this start button, told you to take this start 3 buttons, no? Okay, see, like, so I have given the ID button 1 only, and this button 2 and this button 3. I have given ID. Okay, now text is start, stop, and reset only. You can change the width and height, okay, as your wish. Okay, then uh, start, stop, it, reset. Now take the start ID and put it down in the after on event. Okay, and after on event, go to the control option, go to the control option, and take scroll down and take the time loop, time timed loop. Okay, take one timed loop and place it after on event, like I have placed. Take this timed loop and place it into on event, sorry, not after on event, in on event. Okay, in on event. Okay, this is like a nested loop only. This is like a nested loop only. Okay, place it in on event, and after that, there will be time loop for only 1,000 seconds, milliseconds. I'm so sorry, milliseconds. You have to place it as 1,500 milliseconds. Okay. Then after in down on event, you have to place one, assign a variable. Place one, assign a variable, and in the x, in these in the sorry, behalf of x, you write odd. First, behalf of x, write odd, and behalf of this blank space, go to the maths option and take one add operator, and in the first block write odd and plus, then in the second block write 2, right? 2. Okay, write 2. Then after that, go to the UI controls block and take one set number block, and place it after odd. Okay, place it after odd. Okay, and give it the odd number ID, and text should be odd only. Okay, text should be odd. Same thing with even, only the name will change. Okay, name will change, and everything, numbers also will be same, but ID and names, this will change. And then you have to set the position of where the numbers will be. You have to change, set the position of the numbers also, no? So set the position to For that, you have to go to the UI controls block and take one set position. Okay, scroll down and take one set position block. Okay, and the ID should be, firstly ID should be even, and then in this, in the place of this, in the place of that, like, wait, give me 1 second. Okay, just give me 5 seconds. In the place of this odd blank spaces, no, right, go to the maths option and go take the random number block and place it in each block. Place it in what? Place it in each blank space. Okay, and in each random number write 1 to 250 and 1 to 300. Okay, no, no, no. After this random number, no, write two only. Take two only. After that, there will be 100 and 200. You can see over there, there will be 200 and 200. So, delete that 100 and 200. Okay, delete that 100 and 200 and go to the design option and first see the first you have to see the width and height. Like my I have taken one even, no, so my even width and height is 85 and 60. So I'll go to the code option now and I'll write it 85 and 60 as I have written it, as I have written. Okay, same thing with odd, only the ID will be changed. Okay, and the width and height will be changed. If both are same width and height, then no need to change the width and height. Okay, and numbers will also be the same. Now take one more ornament block and place it inside this ornament. Place it inside this ornament. Okay, and now when this odd number will be clicked, it should score a point. When the even number will be clicked, it should decrement a point. It should decrement a point. Okay, so take one more ornament block and the ID should be odd. And the after that, take one, go to the variables block and take one x is equals to dash. So this assign a variable block. Okay, so take one assign a variable block and in the behalf of, in behalf of x write score, and in behalf of this blank space write go to the maths and take a add operator and keep it in the blank space. And in the first blank space write score, and in the second blank space write 1 score plus 1. And go to the UI controls now and take the set number block. Set number block. Okay, take the set number block and ID should be this blank space. Okay, what ID you have given from in this blank space, write that ID only. Okay, so I have, and the after that the blank space, in right in the blank space write score. Okay, now take one more on event and place it inside this first on event, not inside this on event. Place it inside this, inside first on event. Okay, and like this is placed. Okay, and then take one on event and write the ID even. Okay, and same thing with it, just uh, in behalf of this plus add operator, take one subtract operator and place it here, and everything will be same. Okay, then now first stop and reset. I have told, I have given the code for start. Okay, and now it is doing that score also. Okay, it is doing everything, but just it is not moving. Okay, okay, wait, give me a second. Okay, so I have added two more blocks. Okay, to like give me 1 second. Yeah. So I have added two more blocks. Okay, for like or even click. So I'll change the text color also. Okay, I'll change the text color also. Okay. So now let's continue with the code. Okay. Mm, yes. Now you have to, what you have to go to the UI controls block. Okay, And after that take one on event and place it not not in this one, but after this one. Okay, like take this id. Okay, and after that go to the control option and take the stop time loop option. Okay, take the stop time loop option, so that when the start button will be clicked, no, so that this, you see that this is doing what, this is changing this color, no, but it is changing its color. Yes, but when I'm clicking on stop, it is stopping everything, it is stopping the time loop. Okay, it is stopping what, it is stopping the time loop. Okay, when I click on reset, then this should go, get the score should 0 and 1. Okay, and the score should also be 0. So further I'll take one more on event block. Okay, and the idea of reset. Okay, and we go to now the variables block. Okay, take one x is equals to a variable. Okay, and firstly I'll write one odd in 1 second. Yes, okay, odd is equals to, now odd is equals to 1. Odd should declare as 1 and set the number to where, so this number should be set it, the number should be set to give me 1 second. Yes, odd only, and here I'll write this. Oh, okay, yes. Now I'll take one more variable. Okay, like this, three variables and three set numbers. So one is done. Now two is also done. I'll take one more of it. Mm, yes. Okay. Yes. So three for scorers, one for scorers. Okay. Now even zero. Okay. ID will be even even. So after that score, score, and it will be 0. Now ID will be this blank space. Okay, and this will be instead of 0 I'll write as 2. Okay, now the whole code is written. Now let's check for it. Okay, I'll reset run. Okay, like when I'm going it through it, okay, it's uh like when I'm clicking on stop, it's stopping the time loop only, but when I'm clicking on reset, it's making this code to 0 and 1 and 0. Okay, now I'll share it. Give me just 2 seconds. Okay, white hat junior page, submit my project. Okay, now bye bye, take care. Okay, and uh, one more thing I want to tell you, that stay safe. Okay, stay healthy. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. Okay, yeah.